Look how small Stonehenge is.
Stonehenge is so tiny.
So do you guys...
But look at the people. Do you see the people? That's how big it is.
So it's something that was built a really, really long time ago by like ancient people like really, really long time ago.
Focal point of a sacred landscape. Who built it? And why? Was it a site of worship built for the soul? Or a cemetery built for the dead? Or a celestial observatory built for understanding the heavens? A calendar? A computer? Was it the work of aliens or druids?
It was aliens, honey.
Archaeologists and scientists from other disciplines have been collaborating to shed new light on this ancient mystery. We now have answers to questions that have mystified us for thousands of years. We know who built it and when. We know where they came from, how they lived, how they feasted, what they wore. We know they moved heavy stones 150 miles across rugged ground. A long and arduous journey. To what end?
Of the enclosure that surrounds Stonehenge. This is itself a henge, and it was built around 3000 BC, and just inside it, they put up a circle of small stones. That was the first stone circle on this site.
Oh, it's bones.
Look, this says these are remains from a big feast they had.
What?
A big
Daddy,
feast.
Just on the other side.
Many lifetimes ago, we lived in hardship and were hungry. We took action and moved to find better farming land. We hauled bluestones, memories of our ancestors, to this sacred place. The times are difficult. It is true. We've worked well together on this challenge. Yet still, most of the big stones have not arrived. Maybe they never will. Of course, their size is enormous. But by bringing in those stones, we will show that as people we can do great things together.
I feel like she was in the Botanic video.
What's gonna happen?
I don't know what's gonna happen.
What's gonna happen?
Why, just this day we held a great feast to celebrate. A large group of people come down from the highlands to join our cause. They brought cattle, pigs. They understand what it means to join up.
This is a metal ticker.
So let's see. It says that was found there. Wow.
That's a stone, Dad.
That is somebody's bones, yeah.
What's that?
Only one
That's their
major
leg
source
bones.
was exploited, and that's right around the Atlantic coast of Ireland.
That one looks like it could be this bone right here,
Many old
shoulder
metal
bone.
sources that just weren't tapped into. And on the other hand, the really dense settlement of Beaker people seems to be
So this person was
Is it a thumb?
It's pretty cool. Did you see this? It says the bronze axe that inspired graffiti. Hi, buddy.